Namaste. Welcome to our virtual class. Dear students, today we are learning the social studies of class 10, federal provinces of the country Nepal. Now we are talking about the Gandaki province. Let me remind the lesson we learned yesterday. Yesterday we learned about Bagmati province, its physical features, its climate, its vegetations, major attraction of Bagmati province, the problems and the potentiality. And administrative unit they are working there in Bagmati province. Now let me describe one the Gandaki province. Gandaki province now is the fourth province number one. It was named before. It is named now Gandaki because here Gandaki river flows. By the name of Gandaki river, it has been named Gandaki province. And Nepal has 7 provinces, namely province number 1, province number 2, and then Bagmati province, Gandaki province, and then Karnali province, and there are Sudar Paschim and province number 5. These are the provinces divided here in our country Nepal under the federal conception. Now, we are talking about our province, it is Gandaki province. It is our province where we live now. Then, its location we are talking now, it lies in the mid part of Nepal. And its area is 21828 square kilometer and it is the 14.83% of total land area of Nepal. Likewise, now we are entering to population. It has a population of 2403757. It is the 9.08% of total population of the country according to the census 2011. And its capital is, provincial capital is Pokhara. And like Bagmati and province number 1, Gandaki province includes 3 physical divisions. They are hilly region, mountain region, and Tarai region. Towards its north, there is mountain region. In its mid part, there is hilly region. In its southern part, there is Tarai region. It has 3 geo features physically. Then it has 11 districts and major mountain peaks. They are Annapurna mountain peaks lie here, Machapusle, Manaslu, and Dhaulagiri, and another Himsuri. These are the mountain peaks of the province. Rivers, all rivers of the Seti river system, tributaries of Seti river. These are Seti Gandaki, Kali Gandaki, Puri Gandaki, Mati, Marsangti, Dharauti. These are the rivers flow or irrigate the land of Gandaki province. And that Gandaki province is characterized by the vegetation, namely, they are subtropical evergreen forest is in Thorai region, deciduous forest is in hilly part, mid part, and coniferous alpine tundra vegetation they are available especially in the mountainous region of Gandaki province. Now we are turning towards the protected areas. These areas like Annapurna Conservation Area project, it is rich in butterfly and bird watching areas, and it occupies the place of Groom community as well. Then Door Pattern Hunting Reserve, it is the protected areas lie in Gandaki province. And another is Manaslu Conservation Area. And our Gandaki province is the province of multi-raciality. Racially, it is different. Racially, it is variety one. It has the settlement of Brahmins, Kshetri, Magar, Guru, etc. So, it is the land of racially diversified. Then, religious sites, Muktinath, Manakamana, Bindavasini, Bhadrakali, and Bagum Khalika. These are the religious sites where people go for the religious purpose to what celebrate the ceremonies there. These are the religious sites of Gandaki province. We learned. Now, major trade centers, major mega cities, Pokhara, Damauli, Beni, Baglum, and Mustang. These are the major trade centers, major cities of our province where we settle now. These are the mega cities of province number four, or that later name Gandaki province. Major cultivation. We have clearly known there coffee is grown here. In Gulmi Argakasi, Sangta district, our neighboring district, coffee is grown there widely. In orange cultivation, Kaski, Sangja, Lomjung, they are famous. And in our apple cultivation, no, the part of northern region is famous. For alsi and the sugarcane, the southern part of Tarai region, or especially in Tarai region, they can be grown enough. So these are the cash crop grown here. And another one we are talking now is the place of attraction. And these are Kagberi, Bandipur, Khalegaon, and Akab area, and another the adventurous tourism like paragliding can be done here, hiking can be done here, trekking can be done here. Moreover, mountaineering can be done. And then bird watching, especially in Akab area, it is easily done here. So, and to do the hunting, it is famous. These are the major characteristics of our province, Gandaki. I think you got the information here. And major economic activities. What people do who live here? The first one is farming, and second one is tourism industry, another is trade and business. All can be done. And many people, they are in foreign employment, they are adopting foreign employment as the means of their livelihood too. Now, we are entering into the potentialities. Now, you can behold the figures shown here on your screen. It is first potentiality is tourism developing, and we have the good stuff that Annapurna range, and then serenity of Begna, Surupa, and Feva lakes there, and to see different physical and natural beauties, people of the world are being attracted to this province. So there is the high potentiality of the enhancement of tourism development. Another, there is hydropower generation. It is the figure of Kaligandaki hydropower project. And then here, and by making such hydro projects, and then we can generate hydro energy by selling, by utilizing the water resources available. We can uplift the national economy well, and then our province can contribute for the national economy through it. So it is of high importance. Then we are talking about another extensive agriculture. Now we can see the figure where the farmers, they are they are collecting the apples of that Manangan Mustang, and by doing thus off season and seasons cash and food crops, we can uplift our what means of livelihood or our purchasing capacity. We are poor now. If we use new technology or improve seeds or breeds, then we can uplift our standard of living through it. So it is the potentiality, or we people live here can do it for the better economy. Now, as we read about the problems of other province number one, province number two, or that Bagmati province, different problems here. There is a problem of land encroachment because that Gandaki province also tosses the border to India, or there is China too, and there are the border disputes. It is the burning issue, burning challenge. It has to be solved as soon as possible. If we solve it in time, then we can do better in our economy. Unplanned urbanization, we have cities here, rising cities here, but they have not been planned well. The urban areas, they do not have the facilities what are needed for the people. And likewise, we have another problem, that is natural disaster. The river flow here, or while doing the development activities, that may create so many difficulties in geophases, and so many unexpected happenings take place. They are the natural disaster. They can be addressed emergently. Another problem, what we see here is migration. People migrate towards urban areas, searching the facility here. And then if we distribute the facilities equally throughout the country, then the migration can be controlled and uniform development can be managed. And now we can see the figure of two personalities here. One belongs to Prithvi Subbaguru. He is Chief Minister of our province Gandaki, and another is Amit. He has been given the responsibility of Chief of Province, and they together work for the advancement of the province Gandaki. And now we indeed today's lesson. Let me summarize it again. Gandaki province has the high potentiality of development. It is rich in natural resources. It has the vast store of water resources, and it is rich in biodiversity as well. And it has so many attractive places for the tourism industry as well. If we utilize the amenities or the physical, cultural asset of the province, development can be made soon, and we can uplift ourselves emergently. Then now I have some question to you. I think after listening to my speech, you can respond immediately. Now I would like to draw your attention towards the screen. There is the person who is explain social physical feature of province in short. There you should write language spoken, the facility of education, religious sites or the religions adopted there, and likewise in physical features you should include that geofeatures, climatic features of the vegetation. In this way, you can make your answer right. Then another question is prepare a project work concerning the existing problems and possible solution of the problems. Here we have the problems of the waste management, we have the problems of natural disaster, we have the problems of land enforcement, then we have the problems of unplanned development and this migration. These are the rising problems of the region, of the province. If we settle down in logical manner, then the development of the province is not far behind us. In this way, you try to write the home assignment given. I think you can do it well. Thinking so, now I end my lesson today. Thank you. Have a good day.